The BMW iX achieved 5-star ratings in all test categories of the Euro NCAP crash test. With its purely electric drive and comprehensive range of digital features, the BMW iX represents a new era in individual mobility. In addition, it operates at the highest level of safety. This is according to the experts of the European New Car Assessment Program, the Consumer Protection Institute specialising in automotive safety, who awarded the BMW iX the highest possible rating of 5 stars in the Euro NCAP safety assessment. The integrated safety concept of the BMW iX ensures the highest level of passenger protection. In addition to precisely coordinated restraint systems, this includes highly resilient support structures and precisely designed deformation zones that absorb the impact of a collision and keep it away from the passenger compartment. The body structure of the BMW iX combines an aluminium space frame concept with a carbon cage for the passenger compartment. Particularly torsion-resistant components made of carbon fiber reinforced polymer are used, in the roof, side and rear sections of the BMW iX. In the assessment of adult occupant protection, the testers highlighted among other features the effectiveness of the new interactive airbag between the driver and front passenger seats, which provides additional protection against injury in the event of a side collision. Child safety in the rear of the BMW iX was also given the highest possible score for both frontal and side collisions. If a collision does occur, the risk of injury to vulnerable road users is reduced by carefully designed body elements and flexible structures at the front of the vehicle. The BMW iX also features an active bonnet, which is raised by means of a pyrotechnical triggering mechanism as soon as the data collected by sensors indicate a corresponding collision. This creates a deformation zone that prevents direct impact between the pedestrian or cyclist and hard components in the engine compartment. Among other features, the BMW iX has a front collision warning system with brake intervention that can detect pedestrians and cyclists as well as vehicles. In addition, the automatic emergency braking system now also reacts in turning situations, helping to minimize the risk to pedestrians when turning and the risk of collision with oncoming traffic when turning left. Other standard features of the BMW iX include an attention assistant, lane departure warning and speed limit recognition, all of which scored positively in the Euro NCAP crash test.